my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? I put some bobby pins in it, and that's it. You got color without the commitment. CC, color without the commitment. So if you want color without the commitment, then keep watching.
New life, new mind, all things behind. I'm feeling so brand new, baby. Everything new, baby.
I'm shook, I'm shook, I'm shook, I'm shook, I'm shook. Y'all, a look. Okay, let's get into it. What is up to all of my kings and queens? It's your girl Alexus Crown here, and I am back with another video for you guys. So, if you can't already tell, I have purple and blue hair. Guys. So, I low-key, I'm getting Justine Skye vibes because you know she's the purple unicorn of the dark-skinned queens. Like, I love it. This is a look to me, like I actually love this. So if you want to see more, then keep watching. Alright guys, so today I used Go Intense color sprays, makeup for hair, easily rinses out, by Dark and Lovely. And I used Bombshell Blue and Lucky Lavender. As you can see, I really went crazy with the Lucky Lavender because lavender purple used to be my favorite color. I really like it. Super easy. Took less than 5 minutes to spray my hair. I wish I had 2 cans of the purple. I would have really went ham with it. But just got some purple bobby pins and put them in my hair for extra styling. But I like it. Definitely something cool and new to try without just fully committing to color. Like, I'm loving this. Like, I'm feeling it so much. Don't know how my parents will feel about it, but I'm grown, so that doesn't matter. But definitely bringing me out of my comfort zone, because you know when you have color hair, people look at you. So this is definitely something cool and something new. I like it. I'm shook. This ain't a long video. I like the color. I spray in my hair. I'm gonna show y'all how I spray in my hair. I put some bobby pins in it, and that's it. You got color without the commitment. CC, color without the commitment. So if you want color without the commitment, then keep watching. Alright guys, I'm excited. I've never tried a color method like this before, so I don't know which color I want to do. Put it up so my back screen doesn't get dirty. Woo, sis. That is bright. Y'all, look at my hair. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Alright, I'm gonna finish the rest and then we gonna talk about this. Alright. I'm shooketh. Like, I low-key kind of just want to go like put some look, I low-key, you know, Justine Skye. Okay, hello. Low-key want to just, y'all, this is high-key lit. Y'all can't even tell me that it's not though, like, cause it is. It is, sis, it is. Yo. Alright. So, I'm gonna do a flip over method using some bobby pins. And we're going to just do like a little want to do a crossbow with the pins. Alright guys, so this is the final look. You know, I think it's cute. Not sure what the bag looks like, but I think it's cute. It's cute. So if you want more looks like this and just different videos, fun, spontaneous, be sure to subscribe, hit that like button. That'll let me know like I like stuff like this. Comment down below what color I should do next, if you think I should do another color next. But I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and you ain't gotta get off my channel, but you gotta get off of this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.